Hi Momshies! This is Mommy Ann of The Clever Shopper, and for today, I chose to review the Spider-Man collection, the Smiggle Spider-Man collection, para makita niyo yung iba't ibang options ng bags. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate if you can give us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you! Okay, let's start with the junior size Smiggle backpack. Yan. So, ang material nito is, ano ba tawag dito? But let me just show you. It's matte. Yung material with a spider print. Yung parang suit ni Spider-Man. And, ang cute nito. Yung zipper niya is yung the Spider-Man, ano ba to? Kapag meron siyang, pag gusto niyo gamitin yung spider web niya. Yan. Kita niyo ba? Then, you have here the logo of Smiggle and Marvel. Then, okay, kasi si Smiggle, maano siya sa details. Ayan, nakikita niyo ba? Ang ganda nito, parang Spider-Man suit. Then, sa side, meron siyang mga print ni Spider-Man, some formulas. Kasi, for those of you na napanood yung Spider-Man movie, diba, yung start nun is, may mga madaming scenes na sa laboratory. Okay? So, yan, may mga formula dito sa sides. And, yung zipper niya, dito sa tabi, may nakalagay na Marvel. See? And behind, yung strap, may print din ng same sa side niya. This is padded, hindi masasaktan ang shoulders ni Bagets. Comfortable, very comfortable itong dalhin. Siyempre, huwag nyo lang lagyan ng mga 10 books, diba? Dapat tama lang din yung dami. Okay, so that's why nga we have this review para alam nyo kung anong size yung tama para sa mga bata. Okay, then inside, as per sa lahat ng Smiggle bags, pwede siyang lagyan ng name dito. Pwede nyo siyang sulatan. And meron siyang separate compartment. Siguro lagyan nyo lang ng folder or something. Hindi suitable for laptop. iPads, yes, pwede. But then, anyway, siguro kung gagala kayo, pero for school, yes, hindi natin i-encourage. Siyempre, yung laptop, unless required and permitted by the school. Yan. And sa side, meron siyang pocket, open lang, walang lock. Pwedeng lagyan ng water bottle or any other things. Okay, then this one, sa other side is net pocket. So, what I love about this bag is, wait lang. Alam ko magugustuhan din to ng mga bagets. Kasi nung bata pa tayo, di ba, mahilig tayong mag-pretend ng mga certain characters. Yan. So, meron siyang ganito, may hood. Which means, kapag suot siya ni bagets, pwede niya itong gamitin. Bakit? Ayan. So, kung nasa likod ni bagets to, tapos pwede niya itong gamitin, diba? Tapos magiging, ano na siya, magta-transform na siya to Spider-Man. Diba? Ang nice nito. Ito yung material. Tada! O, diba? Ang cute. Yan. Tapos, what I like about this is you can just fold. And if ayaw niyang gamitin, okay, wait lang. You can just fold this and keep it inside the bag. Ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Keep it nicely. May zipper din. So, hindi siya mapapansin. Ayan. Tago nyo lang pag hindi niya gagamitin. Okay? So, that's for our junior size bag na Spider-Man collection. Smiggle Spider-Man collection. Next, we have the classic size backpack. Tama ba? Yes, this one is the classic size. So, ganito naman yung print. Yeah. And this one is hard top. Yung front. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. So, ganito yung material ni Smiggle. Spider-Man. Tapos, naka-emboss yung face ni Spider-Man. And then, may web. And you have the Smigel logo na embossed din. Nakita niyo ba? Okay. So, nakaganyan yan. So, sa side, ganito. And then, dito rin yung pocket. Same yung sa zippers. Similar sila ng Junior. So, ganito din yung detail. Okay? Yung hand din ni Spider-Man. So, when you open this, ayan, you can open the hard top part and this will serve as a separate compartment for the baguettes. Ayan. Pwede siyang lagyan. It's spacious. Okay? For other stuff na ayaw nyo magusot. Then, you can close it. Okay. So, yung print niya ng Classic is pareho nung sa Junior. Yan, and even yung likod. Okay? Kita nyo ba? And itong sa side na to is para hindi nyo lang masyadong napapansin because it's all black pero may mga webs din dyan. And dito may print siya ng hindi naman print, parang naka-embroidered na siya ng Smigel. Ito, makikita nyo dito. Yan. And what else? Padded yung strap, padded yung back. Ayan. In matte finish. Then, of course, meron tayong pocket, solid pocket from dito sa side na to for water bottles, other stuff, and then you have the net pocket here. Now, yung main compartment ng bag naman is this one. Where is it? Wait lang. So, yan, meron siyang, pwede mo lagyan ng name, ni baguettes, and padded yung compartment dito. Because yung Junior, if you guys notice, isang lining lang siya. This one is, pwede siya for laptops, masisecure niya, and meron siyang velcro dito. Yan, to keep it in place, to keep the laptop in place, or tablet, or whatever. Yan. Okay? So, usual question na natatanggap ko is ilang bags yung kasya? Ilang books yung kasya? Ayan, siguro mga malaki siya eh. Ganito po. About 4 books and about 4 notebooks. Masyado nang mabigat if it's more than that. Okay? Pero kasya naman. Up to you. So, kung masyado nang madami, I suggest na mag-trolley bag na lang ang mga anak nyo if the school allows. Because may mga school, from what I know, is hindi daw pinapayagan yung trolley bags. That's what I heard from the customers. Yan. Okay? Classic backpack. So, compare ko yung size nilang dalawa para makita. So, this is the Classic. This is the Junior size. Kita nyo ba? Okay, kita nyo yung difference. Okay na? I'll be reviewing the trolley. Wait lang. Okay. So, ito naman is the trolley. Smigel Spider-Man trolley. Light up wheels. With light up wheels. Okay. So, it's a trolley backpack. It means kung ayaw nyong gamitin as a trolley, pwede naman yung i-push ito and you use it as a backpack. Okay? So, details. Same sa Classic size. Hard top yung front. Okay, hard top yung front. And ito yung design. Naka-emboss din yung face ni Spider-Man. And the logo is embossed. Ang ganda ng quality nito. Ma'am, she's maganda. Kita mo talaga na matibay. It's all worth it. And yung print niya, same sa Junior, same sa Classic. Ayan. Ang material naman nito is parang rubberized na matte. Whereas sa side is the same din. Rubberized na matte. Okay? And yung likod is, of course, it's padded. So, para convenient. And comfortable sa baguettes. When they use this as a trolley backpack. Okay. And then, of course, you have the light up wheel. So, let's try. Ano ba? Ayan, can you guys see? It's a trolley wheels. light up. Okay? So, yung loob naman, okay. So, let's check naman yung details nitong trolley backpack na to. So, same siya ng Classic and Junior. Ganito din yung sa zipper. Ayan, yung Spider-Man wrist. The iconic Spider-Man wrist. Okay? Tapos, the hardtop part is a compartment. So, let's open it. And all the way up here. So, pwede ka maglagay ng mga stuff kung na ayaw mo magusot. Like, you don't want it to get crumpled. Ayan, lagay mo dito. And then, wait. Yung main compartment niya is this one. Yan. So, yung zipper is may Marvel and Smigel. Back to back. Marvel and Smigel. Marvel and Smigel na logo. Print. Okay. So guys, this is very much sulit kasi kita mo naman yung quality. This will really last for years. Kasi yung mga pamangkin ko, pagpasukan, ito yung mga Smigel items yung ginagamit namin. So, ayan, you can see, meron din siyang name here. Ayan. So, let's check yung interior ng bag. Ayan, meron din siyang name dito. Kita nyo ba? Meron siyang name. Nilalagyan ng name. And meron ding compartment. And of course, naka-velcro din to secure any items na ilalagay nyo dito. Okay, padded din itong compartment na to. So, it means hindi kayo mag-worry na if let's say it's a gadget, laptop ng nagagamitin, secure naman siya here. Ayan. So, this is more spacious compared doon sa Classics. Instead, in terms of width and height, mas malaki po. Kaya mas maraming mailalagay. Okay? So, mamaya, yan, I'll show you yung size comparison. Yan, and very, what else? Ayan. So, ilagay natin siya. This is, I'm not sure if meron ito yung ibang trolley backpack, but you see, kasi usually, di ba, nakababa lang dito yung strap, at unless i-adjust mo. Pero this one, may velcro. So, pwede mo siyang idikit. Nakikita niyo ba? Parang hindi siya nakababa dyan. Ayan. So, mas malinis tignan. Okay, ang cute. Now, let's compare it with the Classic backpack. Let me see. So, trolley backpack pala. This is the Classic backpack. Kita niyo na? Makita niyo yung size. This is the Classic backpack. And this is the Junior. So, now you can compare. Para alam nyo anong mas magagamit ng mga bata. Yan. Kita nyo ba? Okay. Again, kasi parang hindi masyado nakita kanina. So, ganyan po. Okay? I forgot. Of course, may pocket siya. Yung pocket niya is may zipper. And may mga spider web prints. Yan. Same sila ng print ng left and right pocket. Nakita nyo ba? So now, ano na yung next i-review ko? Oh, the last item. Wala akong water bottle. I did not include that in the review. The last item is, of course, the double-decker lunch bag na pwedeng gamitin ng mga kids. Okay, so, the double-decker lunch bag comes with a strap. Okay, discuss muna natin yung print. Yung print niya and material is very much similar to the... It's a combination ng material ng trolley backpack and ng Classic. Okay? So, ito yung print niya. Merong Spider-Man in front. May matte rubberized material dito with the spider web print. And all throughout the trolley the double decker is yung print na similar sa Junior, sa Classic, and sa trolley backpack. And of course, you have here the Marvel and Smigel logo. Now, let's open this. So, ayan siya. This lunch bag is insulated. See? pwedeng lagyan ng name. Bago pa to, kaka-receive ko lang kasi. So, lagyan natin dito. Ito yung strap ni lunch bag. So, makikita nyo yung even the strap, meron siyang mga parang spider webs. So, diba? Nice. Kita nyo pa. Then, you can just clip this. And adjustable din. Okay, ganito yung pang-clip. Di ko na ilalagay, baka matanggal yung nails ko. Ayan. So, pwede nyo siyang i-adjust dito. Depende kung gaano kahaba yung strap na gusto nyo. Okay? So, I will compare kapag anong itsura niya when you use it with the different types of bags. Okay. So, since it's a double decker, pasensya na ha. Ayan. Okay. Meron pa siya dito para hindi nade-deform. So, ayan po. Ito nyo ba? Ang pwede nyo ilagay dito is, let me see. You can actually use, hindi. Medium kasi to medium bento. I have here small bento box. Yung small bento box is, ito yung size. So, let's try. Lagyan natin here. Yes. Perfect. Yan. Pwede siya. Okay? Yung medium size, hindi ko masyadong mailagay. Medyo sikip siya. Okay. So, small size bento, yung mag-fit dito sa double decker natin. Ayan. Okay, close ko na to. Let's see kung side by side with the bags para kita nyo ano itsura kapag dala ng mga bata. Okay. So, ito siya with the junior and the double decker. Kita nyo na. Then, the double decker with the classic backpack. And the double decker with the trolley backpack. Okay? So, ayan, mommies, I hope naka-decide kayo kung anong kukunin and anong size ba yung kailangan ng mga bata. And I hope din nag-enjoy kayo to watch the video. Ganda-ganda talaga nito. Yung mga Smiggle items nila. Yung quality. Marami kasing lumalabas na mga hindi authentic. So, nakakasad kasi madaming nabibiktim. Madaming victim yung mga yung mga made in China. Hindi ko naman nilalahat because from what I know, Smiggle is made in China din. But of course, meron silang authorized na manufacturer. And ang daming counterfeits. So, kawawa naman, like ako, I'm one of the traders, parang unfair for us na sabihin, I have the price lang dun pero authentic din. Iba talaga yung quality ni Smiggle. Anyway, after this, I have some other reviews. Please like and share our video. Natutuwa ako talagang mag-vlog, mag-share because I love talking. Parang, I just want to share yung saya ko na reviewing these items. Okay? So, after this, I will be reviewing Junior, Blast Off, and there's another collection ng Teeny Tiny, Over and Under. So, ito yung mga collection na yun. So, I will end this video muna ng Smiggle Spider-Man collection. Let me know what other collections you want me to review. I also have Charles and Kit review ng mga bags because I love bags. Ayan. You may just comment sa video na on this video. Thank you, Momshies! Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you!